It's Yvette from Sister Paint and Decorating, and welcome to part 2 of filling the crack in the ceiling. Previously we used the mesh tape to cover the crack and then we filled it with this filler. So it's had one coat of filling and it's been sanded, so now we're just applying the second coat of filling. I've already done that half, I'm just finishing the rest of it. Decorating, and we've done the second coat of filler on the ceiling. Now I'm just going to spot check it, see if it needs a third coat. It doesn't completely need a third coat, just patches. So I'm just going to use this 2-prep filler and do a third coat. Only in parts of it though. It has covered quite well though, I quite like that mesh tape. That's the third coat. Just going to let that dry, sand it down, and then on the next part I'm going to paint over it. Hopefully that'll stop the crack from coming back through. Bye! Okay, so here we are. This is the final product. We have had to sand it and fill it again. We've done one coat on the ceiling and we're going to do another coat of paint on the ceiling. But as you can see, it's covered pretty well. We're really happy with that. So the tape seems to have worked. Okay, thanks for watching. So the reason it's taken us so long to get the final part of the video together is that our little dog here has had puppies. And here's one of them. This is Lola. 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 What are you doing? What you got? So we've been very busy with puppies last few weeks. But thank you for watching, and we'll be back soon. Bye.